In this video clip, we will present a general quick overview of the BIMcloud features. Teamwork from ArchiCAD. When users working on projects from ArchiCAD will not realize a significant difference between connecting to a BIMcloud or a BIM server. Browser-based management. The BIMcloud Manager is a browser-based management interface that controls each aspect of the BIMcloud. This is a simple, smart tool in the hands of server managers. Server managers can start a web browser on any computer, enter the address of the BIMcloud, and log in with his or her credentials. This solution doesn't even require a desktop computer or laptop. Any tablets or mobile phones with internet access can utilize this interface. Folder-based project organization. The project management interface allows users to create folders for projects and servers. Large firms with many projects must be able to organize them into a logical hierarchy. The folder organization even allows for setting up several completely different business units on the same BIMcloud. The visibility of these folders can be controlled based on responsibilities. Folder hierarchies enable managers to quickly and centrally modify backup strategies and access permissions, because lower-level folders and items in the folder hierarchy inherit these parameters from a higher level. Folders can also be useful for organizing the BIMcloud servers. Their settings are inherited within the folder hierarchy, just as they are for projects. Standardized, secure, HTTPS communication. All BIMcloud components use the standard HTTP or HTTPS protocol for communication. The HTTP protocol is a common and accepted protocol, and it's trusted and a secure communication channel used by all online banking systems and most online email applications. Utilizing the company's existing certificates, ArchiCAD is able to communicate through this secure channel, enabling work on a BIMcloud from a remote location and preventing third parties from accessing sensitive data. Multiple BIMcloud servers. The BIMcloud is centrally managed through the BIMcloud Manager, whose browser-based interface provides central management of the BIMcloud servers, proxies, and ArchiCAD clients, and allows multiple BIMcloud servers to function within a single BIMcloud. The BIMcloud Manager automatically redirects to the correct project on the correct BIMcloud server and ensures an automatic connection without any user interaction. If a server administrator shifts a project from one BIMcloud server to another, the user can work without interruption and without needing to sign into a different BIMcloud. Streamlined user management, user groups, LDAP protocol. The BIMcloud integrates user management with the company's existing corporate user directory using the worldwide standardized LDAP protocol. A large company with many employees generally has a user directory surface. The BIMcloud, like other software, for example an email server or intranet, can connect to this user directory or even to several user directories simultaneously. User directory groups can be replicated on the BIMcloud Manager. Additional and/or ad hoc user groups can be created if needed. Users who log into their office computers can use the same login name and password to join a teamwork project. This can greatly simplify the maintenance of the company user list. Detailed management permissions. The BIMcloud allows the fine-tuning of user permissions for all resources on the BIMcloud, like users, roles, and libraries. A large firm with far-flung offices may well have multiple users with different levels of server manager competencies. The BIMcloud allows you to configure this at a very detailed level. If subcontractors are also allowed to work on the BIMcloud, their access can be restricted to their particular project. They will not be able to see any other projects, users, or settings of the BIMcloud. Multi-language support. The language of the BIMcloud Manager interface can be changed on the fly from a language pop-up located at the top right corner of the interface. This change has no effect on anyone else in the company or on the settings and modifications made on the BIMcloud Manager. BIMcloud Proxy. If multiple ArchiCAD clients are working from the same location while the project is hosted on a remote BIMcloud server, the same data must be downloaded multiple times, once for each client. This redundancy increases server load and reduces available bandwidth. The BIMcloud proxy component optimizes data transfer between the ArchiCAD clients and a BIMcloud server by caching the data on the client side. Once an ArchiCAD client downloads a part of the project, the data will be cached locally.